Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by securing the essentials and making your first actionable decisions. Mount your macro lens and attach a tripod. This prevents motion blur and keeps composition steady. Once done, dial in aperture around f/8 to f/16 for sufficient depth of field and set ISO low to reduce noise. Use a remote or tethered capture so you can start recording without touching the camera. Make sure lighting is in place, continuous or LED panels, and position diffusion to soften harsh highlights. Next, you refine focus and control motion. This is the complex middle of the process. Switch to manual focus and use live view or magnification to lock critical detail. For extreme depth, plan focus stacks and capture bracketed focal planes. If you need motion, move the camera on rails slowly or guide the subject at a steady pace so motion is predictable. Adjust lighting, combine continuous and synced flash to freeze motion while maintaining highlight control. Remember to monitor histograms and make incremental tweaks. Finally, complete capture and move to post-production to deliver a polished macro video. Transfer footage and inspect frames at 100%. Align and stack focus planes if needed, then denoise and stabilize gently to preserve detail. Color grade for natural tones and export using a high-quality codec. If things go wrong, check flash sync and trigger settings first. If focus is soft, increase light or reduce vibration, then re-record short segments. One key tip: always reshoot the problem area immediately while setup is intact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.